Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the aircraft identity, maintenance history, and required certifications. This matters because procedures and parts depend on model. Once confirmed, gather exact tools and the official service manual so you follow published torque and clearance specs. Make sure the airplane is secured with chocks and grounded, and isolate electrical power by disconnecting the battery or external source. Now, perform a quick external walkaround and note visible damage. These first steps establish a safe baseline and prevent compounding errors. You proceed by removing access panels carefully, labeling fasteners and connectors so reassembly is exact. Photos help preserve orientation. Once exposed, follow the manual's fault isolation flowchart. Use a multimeter for electrical traces, a borescope for internal inspections, and bench check suspect components where possible. When you replace parts, use only approved parts and the specified hardware, torque values, and safety wiring techniques. Incorrect fasteners or torque are common failure causes. Keep clear notes in the logbook as you work to document each corrective action. You finish by reinstalling panels using the captured photos and labeled fasteners, then perform all prescribed functional checks and system tests from the maintenance checklist. Next, conduct an engine and avionics run-up while monitoring temperatures, pressures, and voltages, and confirm flight control freedom and trim settings. Make thorough logbook entries and obtain required sign-offs from a certificated mechanic. Troubleshooting tip: if a system fault recurs, isolate by substitution testing of components and verify wiring continuity before replacing another expensive part.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.